Welcome, in front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 PRO, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get the cursor back on the screen in case your touchpad stopped working. So to re-enable your touchpad, the easiest way would be to enable function keys, enable the secondary functions of the function keys by pressing F1 button to make the light appear in the top right corner of this key. This key is located next to your Windows button. Now once you press it, press F3 button, and this way you will enable your touchpad if it was disabled. And then at this point you can try to use it, and if it still doesn't work for you, then press Windows, then Tab, then using arrow keys to navigate, go to Settings, press Enter. Now if you have the external mouse connected to your device, of course you don't have to do this, so you can just click on each option. This will make it a lot easier for you this way. Okay, once you're in Settings, press Tab, then use down arrow key to navigate to Bluetooth and devices, then press Tab button 5 more times to have the devices selected. Now using down arrow key, navigate to touchpad, press Enter to open this menu. Then if your touchpad is disabled right here, you can enable it by pressing spacebar, then check if your touchpad is working. Now, and if it's not, then the other way to re-enable it is by opening the start menu and then searching for device manager. Once you find it, press Enter to open it, and you will see the list of your devices. Press Tab to start navigating here, and then using down arrow key, navigate to human interface devices, press a right arrow key to expand this list, then select HID compliant touchpad, press Enter to open this menu, then press Tab several more times until you have General tab selected, and press right arrow key to go to driver section, then press Tab 3 times until you have disable device option selected, press Enter and then left arrow key to confirm, and this way you will disable this device. Now press Enter again to enable it, and then check if it works. And in case it's still not working, press Tab button 1 more time to have the uninstalled device selected, then press Enter to confirm, then press Enter again, and this way you will uninstall the touchpad driver from your device. Now it will automatically reinstall once you restart your laptop. To do that, press Alt 4, then Alt 4 again, then down arrow key, and this way you will select restart option, just press Enter and your laptop will restart. Just wait until it restarts after that. And once your laptop is restarted, your laptop should definitely start working. If it's not happening, then try to re-enable it using your touchpad. Also try Settings, and if it doesn't help, then it's probably a hardware problem, and I suggest that you contact HONOR customer support service and tell them about your issue and see what they can do, or maybe just reach out to the nearest repair center and let them take care of your device, because this might be a hardware problem and not a software one. So unfortunately I cannot help you with it. So if this video helped you though, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.